Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things entrepreneurship and real estate. We're here to share insights, strategies, and tips to help you navigate the complex world of business and property. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the digital realm, focusing on the exciting and ever-evolving landscape of online businesses. And not just any online business, but those leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to maximize profitability. So, let's get started. In today's video, we delve into the top strategies for building a profitable online business using AI. Firstly, we need to understand what AI is and why it's crucial in today's business world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't just a buzzword. It's a technological revolution that's been quietly reshaping our world for the better part of the last century. But what exactly is it? Simply put, AI is the development of computer systems able to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. AI has come a long way since its inception. It's evolved from a theoretical concept into a practical solution that's now an integral part of our daily lives. Whether it's Siri on our iPhones, personalized recommendations on Netflix, or the self-driving Teslas on our roads, AI is everywhere. But AI isn't just about cool gadgets and convenience, it's a powerful tool for businesses. So, why is AI crucial in today's business world? There are three primary reasons. Firstly, AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time for your team to focus on more strategic, creative endeavors. Secondly, AI can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, providing businesses with insights that would be impossible for a human to extract. Lastly, AI can deliver a personalized experience to customers at scale, something that's increasingly important in a world where the customer is king. In short, AI has the potential to drive efficiency, enhance decision-making, and improve customer experience. And these benefits aren't just for big corporations. Thanks to advancements in technology and the democratization of AI, even small businesses can now leverage the power of AI. But the key to harnessing AI's potential lies in understanding its capabilities and knowing how to apply it effectively. It's not about replacing humans. It's about augmenting human capabilities and enabling us to do what we do best: think, create, and innovate. Having understood what AI is, let's move on to how we can use it to build a profitable online business. One of the primary uses of AI in business is for extensive market research. Let's dive into it. What makes AI a game changer in market research? Well, it's all about the sheer volume of data that can be processed, analyzed, and interpreted in real time. Traditional market research methods are time-consuming and often involve a significant degree of guesswork. AI, on the other hand, can rapidly sift through enormous amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human researcher to spot. Imagine being able to understand your customer's behavior in an in-depth and nuanced way. AI can track and analyze customer interactions across multiple platforms. From social media activity to website browsing habits, AI can provide a comprehensive view of your customers' preferences, needs, and behaviors. Such insights are invaluable when it comes to tailoring your products, services, and marketing strategies to match your customers' expectations. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also predict market trends. By analyzing historical data and current market conditions, AI can forecast future market trends with remarkable accuracy. This predictive capability allows businesses to plan ahead, make informed decisions, and stay ahead of the curve. For instance, suppose an AI algorithm identifies an emerging trend for eco-friendly products in your industry. In that case, you can capitalize on this information by developing and marketing your own range of environmentally friendly offerings. Moreover, AI can also help businesses identify new market opportunities. By analyzing consumer data, AI can pinpoint gaps in the market that your business can fill. This could lead to the development of new products or services, opening up new revenue streams, and giving your business a competitive edge. Finally, AI can help businesses understand the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns. By analyzing data from various marketing channels, AI can provide insights into which campaigns are working and which ones need improvement. This can lead to more efficient use of marketing resources and a higher return on investment. By using AI for market research, you can stay ahead of your competitors and meet your customers' needs. With such powerful insights at your disposal, you're well equipped to build a profitable online business. Another strategy is using AI for personalization. Now let's talk about the magic of personalization. In the digital age, consumers are not just looking for products or services. They are seeking experiences personalized to their needs and preferences. And guess what? Artificial intelligence is the magic wand that can help you deliver just that. Imagine walking into a store where the salesperson knows your style, your size, your color preference, and suggests products that are so you. That's the power of AI in personalization. It's like having a virtual salesperson who knows your customers inside out. AI can analyze vast amounts of data from browsing history to purchase behavior and predict what your customer is likely to buy next. It's like reading your customer's mind. The result? A satisfying shopping experience for your customer and increased sales for you. But that's not all. AI can also send personalized notifications and offers to your customers. For instance, if a customer has been eyeing a product for a while, AI can send them a discount offer just when they are most likely to buy. It's like having a personal shopper for your customer. And it's not just about sales. AI can also personalize customer service. For instance, a chatbot can provide instant personalized assistance, making your customer feel special and cared for. Now you might be wondering, isn't this all too high-tech and complicated? Well, the beauty of AI is that it can be as simple or as sophisticated as you want it to be. There are plenty of AI tools out there designed for non-techies that can help you get started with personalization. So why not give AI a shot? With AI, you can provide a level of personalization that traditional businesses can only dream of. With AI, you can offer personalized experiences that traditional businesses can't match. The third strategy involves leveraging artificial intelligence for automation. Now you may ask, why automation? Well, in the digital age, time is money, and automation can save you plenty of both. Artificial intelligence is a game changer when it comes to automating business processes. It can eliminate manual tasks that eat up your time and resources, freeing you up to focus on strategic matters. From customer service to data analysis, AI can streamline your operations and make your business more efficient. Let's take customer service as an example. We've all had experiences with automated chatbots, right? These are powered by AI and can handle customer queries round the clock without human intervention. They can answer frequently asked questions, guide users through your website, and even help with checkouts. This not only improves the customer experience, but also reduces your need for a large customer service team. Then there's data analysis. With the amount of data businesses generate these days, manually sifting through it all would be a Herculean task. But with AI, you can automate this process and gain valuable insights in a fraction of the time. You can track customer behavior, identify trends, and predict future patterns. This information can be crucial in making informed business decisions. And it doesn't end there. AI can automate your marketing efforts too. From personalized email campaigns to targeted social media ads, AI can help you reach the right audience at the right time with the right message. In essence, a AI-driven automation not only increases your efficiency, but also enhances your profitability. It reduces your operational costs and improves your decision-making process, leading to a better bottom line. But remember, automation should not replace human touch. It should augment it. So while you leverage AI for automation, ensure that you maintain a balance between technology and human interaction. With AI, you can automate your business processes and focus on what matters most, growing your business. These are the top strategies for building a profitable online business using AI. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to revisit the key takeaways. Firstly, we've established that understanding AI and its importance in business is fundamental. It's no longer a luxury, but a necessity in today's ever-evolving digital landscape. AI holds the power to revolutionize your business and propel it to new heights. Secondly, we delved into how AI can be utilized for market research. It can help you understand your customers' needs, predict market trends, and make data-driven decisions. In essence, AI can provide you with the insights you need to stay ahead of the curve. Thirdly, we explored the role of AI in personalization. AI allows you to create personalized experiences that resonate with your customers. It enables you to tailor your messages, products, and services to meet the unique needs of each customer, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Lastly, we looked at how AI can be leveraged for automation. From automating repetitive tasks to improving efficiency and productivity, AI can help you streamline your business operations and save valuable time and resources. So there you have it. These are some of the top strategies that can help you build a profitable online business using AI. Remember, the future belongs to those who are willing to embrace change and innovate. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful videos on entrepreneurship and real estate. Until next time, keep innovating and stay profitable.